Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This time it's a collaboration with a brand named LOVEVOOK. They design women bags and they send me few samples to show out. The best thing was they asked me to select 4 from their designs, and honestly, it's of very good quality. I usually don't buy anything online much just for the worry of the quality, but this is amazing. You can completely trust my words. They are from China, but they ship all around the world, so it doesn't really matter where you're from. I shall put the details below in the description box. The coupon code is LOVEVOOK3. Do check out the product link. I'm sure you will have your favorite in their collection. Now let me show you the bags they send me. Beginning with the handmade bamboo bag. This is in fact a crossbody bag. It's a lovely piece. They have more varieties in the bamboo bags, so do check out. This is a leather backpack shoulder bag. They have other colors too, but I love this color. You can carry it on your back as well as side. This is one beautiful clutch and evening bag for parties. Again, more colors included, so don't forget to check out. And last but not the least, it's a 3-piece set, a handbag, a crossbody bag and a clutch. So it's a bonus. You get 3 pieces in one set and all 3 are just lovely. They have more colors, but the crossbody bag is of the same color for all the pieces. The handbag is big enough to carry a lot of stuffs inside. My favorite among the 3 is the crossbody bag, and for the clutch, I would like to use it as a makeup bag. Thanks to LOVEVOOK for all the lovely pieces. We had a short trip to Ras Tanura, almost 450 kilometers away from Riyadh. It was for a badminton tournament. My husband and son Rihan was playing. It was inside Aramco compound, so never miss a chance to be there. We were leaving morning 8 o'clock, so packing up all the stuffs previous night. These are kids' perfume. You can guess who chose these. The small one was for Arman. It's over now, so just the bigger one for both. Putting up all the chargers, and it's time to leave. Stopped in between to buy something to munch on the way. That's a protein bar to curb the hunger. And we are inside the compound already. We park our cars near the gate and their bus take us in. We reached there at lunchtime, so food first. That's inside the court. Having some chit chats, and it's always relaxing. Only after coming to Riyadh, I realized how much I missed Cornish or the beach side, because we used to always spend time when I was in Qatar and Dubai, but Riyadh doesn't have beach. One main reason to come here is to see this. We spent some time and clicked few pictures, and it was so refreshing. Time for my husband's game. It was late night and we are in the hotel. All were very tired. I was not in a mood to take a video of the room, was totally exhausted after the fun-filled day. We all were quickly into the bed and slept in no time. It's always very refreshing to have a look outside after waking up, but here not a good view though. We are off for breakfast. Back in the room and time to pack for the day. We had an early checkout as many had to report at the desk for the games. My husband's finals were going on and they were runners up.
Fortunato, Nate. Ready? Okay. Change in the schedule. Men's doubles flight to finals will be in court number 4.
Back to Riyadh. I woke up next morning to this and was really excited. I had put some mustard seeds in the soil and in very few days it turned out to be this. That's from fenugreek seeds. Now this is from chickpeas. I had even kept some coriander seeds in wet tissue and they have started to sprout. This was actually brunch for me and kids. We reached Riyadh at 4 am and woke up around at 12. Was really very tired. Made a quick plant hanger. Many had asked about the soil I used. This is the one. You can get it in any local nursery. Adding some water to the soil to make it wet. Hoping the best from this. Evening snack was caramel popcorn. Many of you had asked the recipe for it. Heat some vegetable oil. Into that add half cup corn kernels. Mix for a few seconds and then cover the lid. Keep on medium heat. When the corn starts to pop, reduce the flame and let it complete the popping. Just shake the pan in between. Now keep that aside. Again in a pan, add half cup sugar and keep on low flame. Let the sugar melt on its own. Don't stir it. Just give a swirl. I didn't have butter, so added 1 tablespoon ghee. Then a pinch of salt, don't add too much. Then goes 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Mix very well without burning. Make sure the flame is very low. Now if you add a teaspoon of baking soda, you will get a crispy layer on the popcorn. I didn't have it with me, but the taste was almost the same. Then mix in the popcorn. Coffee for me, that's Arabic coffee powder. Many had asked me what I use for the tea or the coffee. This is melted jaggery. I have shown it once in another video. Do check out if you need. So that's for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to check out LOVEVOOK website and the amazing bags they have. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.